Hey guys, welcome to the series I'm going to be starting. It's called Destroying Crap Products. Got this fidget cube that doesn't work right. Like this is stuck. This doesn't even spin right. This, I don't even know what that one's supposed to do. And yeah, it doesn't work right, so I ordered a better quality one, but don't get the $3 fidget cube on Amazon. So I thought, why not just like smash it or something? I don't know, guys. So that's what I thought I was gonna do. So I mean, why the heck not? So let me know if I can break this thing. Probably this thing's actually a little bit strong. That button's already smashed in there. Oh. You can see the button. Alright, I'm gonna hit it hard this time. 1, 2, 3. There's definitely some separation right there. I could literally see what is inside this thing. Let's hit it one more hard time. It should. Which side do you think? Yeah, it went that way. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. So, definitely some crackage here. I don't want to peel it apart. I just want to let it, you know, like actually have it break apart. So set it right on that one right there. Alright, switch sides. Yeah, that side's definitely better, so let's look at this side again. Alright, 3, 2, 1. The sun definitely flew out of this thing. Not exactly. Oh. Wait, was that the. Oh, it was. I will see if I can find that for you guys, but the spinny thing fell off there. I heard it fly. I don't know where that part's definitely coming off. All the metal ball that you roll is in there. Hit it one more good time here. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Alright guys, so literally. So there's where the buttons go. There's the buttons that flew off of it. There's the metal ball that you roll. I'm gonna keep that on. And the rest of the cube is, hey, the button came back out. Alright, let's smash it one more time here. Right on the plain side. And let's hit it. Let's keep hitting it until this thing absolutely gets destroyed here. Alright. 3, 2, 1. There, one more. I'm gonna hit this one really hard, guys. I'm gonna have to clean all this stuff up, but let's hit it one more good time and then I'll call the video, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's definitely gone, guys. Well, I don't like freaking crap products, I guess I can. But yeah, there we go. That's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more.